I believe there is no need in grenade launcher, because we have rockets and airstrike, and turrets. So we have basically everything. Well, we can make it interesting. I can go and camp on the first position. Just for fun, why not? I will camp here. Yeah, if you go down, then I'm down. Yeah. Yep.
Setting Claymore. Claymore set. Planting Claymore. Claymore set. Watch yourselves. Enemy forces are converging on your position. Moving.
Watch it, they see us. They're trying to circle left. Watch our left, they're flanking. Copy that. Hostiles on the left. Hit 'em. Roger.
Yep.
Engage the guy with the shield.
It's so easy to take RPGs from this side. You have no idea.
Hostile with a concrete block. Friend. Shield.
But actually, it's a very good position. I can see everyone.
They're moving right. Somebody back me up. They're on the move. I'm down. Reload. RPG target. Got one. Shotgun. Take him out. Secure the right. They're trying to flank. Got it. Hostiles on the clock. Focus on the vehicle. Take down the shield.
Copy airstrike inbound.
Target that moving right. Hostiles on the clock. Right. They're flanking right. Flank.
Who will take down the car?
Target down. Hostile down. Target the vehicle. On it. Left. On the left. Hostile on that road. Watch that left. They're flanking. Flank left.
It's a gas. It's a vehicle. It's on PTR.
Secure the right. They're trying to flank. Move the cover.
I'm down as well. No. From this position, take a look at the side. From this position, I can see everybody who's shooting on you, out of cover. So it's a very good position actually. One more time.
You got supplies inbound.
No.
For another assault.
Yep.
Camo activated. Setting Claymore. Planting Claymore. Setting Claymore. Claymore set. Sensor out.
Good luck, guys.
That rang some bells. They're taking cover. Right flank. Engage the guy with the shield. They're flanking left. RPG drop.
Yep.
Target
Another one.
RPG. I'm on it. Watch your left.
Got it.
RPG.
Where?
Hostile down. Secure the right. They're trying to flank. Got him. They're moving right.
RPG. I'll get him. I'll get him.
Circling left.
Yep.
Got him. Nailed one. Engage the shotgun. In position. Engage. Reloading.
Roger. Strike tactics inbound.
Target down. Repositioning. It's all right. I got it. You're good to go. I'm moving.
I'm taking the gas. I'm taking the BTR. I'm taking down the BTR. Come on, 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 come on. Yep. BTR is down. No, BTR is not down. BTR is not down. BTR is not down. Oh my god, it's shaking again. I hate it. Yeah.
You stop their advance, but not for long. Do what you need to do before they come back.
What killed you guys?
Activated camo.
It's my fault. Okay, I will take care of them. So once you see the RPG, just let me know because it's very hard for me to spot them. But I can shoot them with one shot because they are out and open for me. Okay. Once the BTR is here, I will set the rocket there. Okay.
Setting Claymore. Sets are on the way. You've got enemy forces inbound. On the move. Dead ahead.
That was subtle. Watch the right. Fucking left. Drop the gunner.
RPG, I can see them.
Roger. Okay, guys, reloading. Left. Watch your left. Taking heavy fire. They're moving right. Watch left. They're flanking. Engage the shield. Copy that.
RPG.
Hostile 9 o'clock. They're circling back left. Hostile
They're coming to me. They're coming to me.
moving.
RPG.
Somebody patch me up. Go back.
Be sorry.
There, by those concrete blocks. He's down. I'm bleeding out. Behind us. Hostile by the command post.
I'm down as well. Yeah, restart. Yeah, restart.
You got a few moments to breathe. Gear up and get ready.
I need to set up claymores.
Camo's up.
One more try, and if it doesn't work, then I will come. But just I have a very good position here, and I will get launcher as well. I just the shielded guy came all the way here and took me down. So sorry, I could not kill him.
Setting Claymore.
Yeah, I did. I just did it. I hope it works.
Watch yourselves. Enemy forces are converging on your position. Straight ahead.
Well, they know we're here now. Light 'em up. They're circling the gunner. Right. Copy that.
RPG.
Hostiles are moving. Target
Another one.
down. Hostiles got a shield.
Another one.
RPG, target him. Engage my target. I got. They're trying to circle left. Hostile down.
Another one.
Right. You're in trouble. Get out of there. Got one. Cover. Reloading. Watch left.
Another one.
Right. Get it.
Oh my god, there are like 15 them out there. 15 RPGs. Oh my god, they keep spawning. Come on.
Got him. We got a
Airstrike inbound.
RPG. Drop it. I copy. Engage that vehicle. Copy that.
All the RPGs are down. No.
Copy that. Contact. Cover the RPG. Right.
Got them. BTR. I'm launching the rocket.
Moving. They're circling right. Right. Watch your right flag. The one with the shield.
Market, I cannot see the RPG market. I'm out to rocket. I have a granite launcher.
3 o'clock! UAV! Light machine gunner!
Okay, perfect, yeah. Great guy. Great game. Told you, my position was just perfect. So just to put in perspective, there was 15 RPG guys in a row. I was just taking them down one by one. Like, oh my god, how many of those?